Hello everyone. We have added a new feature in the dashboard to display job status for both customers and mechanics. Let me show you how it works. Go to the dashboard, scroll down and click on job and dispatch details. So here you will find options to view the dispatch board and job progress. First click on view dispatch board. So this will display the workshop's ongoing work and show which mechanic is or currently working on which job. Next, click on view job progress. So this screen shows the vehicle status at each stage, such as diagnostic in progress, service in progress, quality check, and once the job sheet is completed, it will show you in this vehicle ready. So this feature helps customers stay informed while waiting as they can clearly see the progress of their vehicle. This will also be notified once the vehicle is ready. So thank you for watching.